Hi everyone! Hayden and I are examining the cresting of the mighty Des Plaines River. And if you've seen my other video, you know that the Des Plaines River up here isn't exactly mighty. But due to the record-breaking amount of flooding, it's certainly mighty. You can see where people had backyards. They don't exist anymore. If you come over here, I've walked on this bridge. I actually run, but I've never noticed this. It says site of Medicine Springs. Ancient Indians, politically incorrect, believed sulfur springs nearby had curative power. So we're going up on this bridge. Here's this bridge. Rockland Road Bridge, built 1962 by the county of Lake Village of Libertyville. Superstructure originally built at Vandalia in 1921 and rebuilt in 1989, etc., etc. Okay. So it's actually quite an interesting bridge. And all the traffic's coming across because the other bridge is closed. Alright, so here we go. You can sort of see where people's backyards were. And you can see how fast this water is going. Normally the water just meanders, but it's moving. It is moving. My daughter was supposed to work at the other pool. Both pools are near the river. One pool is closer to the river. She's supposed to work at the pool closest to the river, and it was canceled because of the cresting river. So this is not supposed to be river. Right here. Yeah, not supposed to be river. This is not supposed to be river.
Yes.
This is not supposed to be river.
Yes, I remember the street near where we live, and I went down to go check it out, and you know, there's people going around in the waist deep water where, you know, right in front of somebody's house.
Yeah, I guess people were taking kayaks.
Yeah, and I looked down on a street, and these two people come out from behind a house in kayaks and just go into the park kayaking.
Okay, see, this is still, this is not supposed to be river.
Let's go hiking
on the
trail, huh?
Here's a trail. Now, you're not going to be hiking on that trail for a while. Okay, walk carefully. We got the very narrow, dry path.
The only part that's not submerged.
I can't believe, I've never, as I said, this is record-breaking, they said. And it's due to the 7 to 8 inches that was dumped in a very short amount of time.
Yeah, it's so nice.
The ground just couldn't absorb it. And as we were coming this way, we saw many trucks and vans for, what's the word? Restoration.
Oh.
Basement restoration. Because yeah, the grounds, the sewer systems just couldn't handle this rain. And it's not because, oh, you live by the river. Because I live up from the river. I live on the very top of a watershed. Okay, now, I don't know if we're going to be able to get across.
We can certainly try.
Now, we're going to try this way. Or we're going to... Alright, so this is the other side of the Des Plaines River Trail. This is north, just north, watch out boy, just north of Rockland. As you can see, it is now the Des Plaines River.
Trail courtesy, horses yield to skiers and hikers.
Yeah.
Seahorses?
Seahorses, fish, turtles, frogs. There's no way, and this isn't going to dry out for a long time. And you can see it just gets deeper and deeper and deeper. If I would have worn boots,
Take off your shoes.
No, I'm not going to step in this. So I think we're going to go examine a little farther north where the street is closed and the underpasses. So we'll be back. See the sandbags people had to put up? Oh my gosh. So we thought we'd come down this road where this park usually is. There are some boys riding their bikes through the lake, the new formed lake. So you see the bank of trees over there? That's where the river normally is. And it's come all the way. All the way. Watch out. It's all wet. Don't get your nice shoes. It's a little deeper than you think. And people have some sandbags. I think if we walk on the squishy. Oh, look at this guy. Okay, you get an idea how deep the water is. See this guy on his bike. You see the sandbags people have? The village was providing sandbags. Careful, sweetie. Look at this. Oh. I wouldn't let my kids do that. Heck no. Not that it's known for pollution or anything, but still. And the pool that the daughter was supposed to work at is, oh, I can't, farther down. So I guess it's engulfed. Jeez, look at these guys. It's deep, people. But it's a beautiful day. It's just, yeah. Okay, so we're just walking. We haven't walked that far. You can see what's happening at the curve. That trail disappears. And this is as far as you can go. That is pretty amazing. You can see it goes all the way into the subdivision over there.
Well, I mean, according to the map, it says that there's another body of water right on the other side.
It's pretty interesting. And it gets pretty deep. And it will continue all the way down, getting deeper and deeper, because I know what this trail is like, how it goes. Pretty amazing. I don't know if we'll go any farther north. If we do, you'll see it. If we don't, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, etc., etc. Bye-bye. And here we are approaching one of my favorite bends in the river, which is very picturesque. Alas, alas. Oh, mercy. Hey, let's go up this way. It's a little muddy, but I think we'll get a... You can see the water had been all the way up here. Oh, the frisbee golf. Kids are still playing though. Saw them playing the other day.
If they want to do it, go right ahead.
Yeah. They just have to be creative how they get to the frisbee disc thing. And there's that obelisk. Remember I showed you the obelisk before in the video? Yeah. Yeah, remember I took a walk here. and I showed you my favorite place to go. Sadly, my favorite place to go is totally submerged. Oh, it's even squishy. Squishy ground. And it keeps going up. Yeah, the trail is between that little post and the obelisk. And then there's another trail that goes up. So yeah, to get to my favorite bench, the bench is underwater. You can't even see it. So let's walk back, I'll show you where that is. So yeah, the river is beyond the bushes. Well, technically it's beyond the bushes. Then it gets really deep quickly. Squishy. So there's, I don't know how many boys, but several boys in 3 inflatable rafts when we got out at the parking lot. And I thought, are they serious? Are they going to get in the river? I think they are serious. I hope they know what they're doing. I saw one guy wearing a life vest. Hopefully the other guys have a life vest. Okay, so where I like to go for my favorite part of the river is completely submerged.
See how fast it's going as well.
And you can see how fast it's going. If I zoom in, you can't tell there's a bench under there. Past the trees, between that tree and each tree, there's a bench. It's a completely submerged underwater, and it's going so fast. So we're gonna go walk a little bit more and see some other water. You can see the river is really high down there, but it was higher. You can see the evidence of where it has run down and eroding. Oh, that walnut. It can stain your fingers. No, but you can tell where it's run down. Oh, we are being bitten up. All these walnuts on the trail. Except they're walnuts that you have to wear gloves if you open them, or else you will stain your fingers. Oh, here comes this woman again. Okay, now we're approaching the river about a half a mile north. Looks like they've reopened the road, which is good. Maybe people don't know, or people are just coming down the road because they don't care. I don't know. This is where, you know, I would ride my bike. Occasionally, the torturous run. Okay. Des Plaines River and Trail. Right now, we're on the North Shore Trail.
And by Des Plaines River and Trail, they mean Des Plaines River.
Yeah.
Period.
We're on the North Shore Trail, but you can see it makes a turn to go to the North Shore Trail. But
you know, the river's like just a few feet under the bridge.
But I don't know what to say. Let's see. It is so... Let's see how far we can get. And you can see the other side. You've all wanted to walk on the trail. Okay, so here we go. Trying to speed up a bit. Oh, teasel, teasel, boo, teasel. Invasive species. Get rid of the teasel. Ah, river. Alright, so here, if you go that way, you continue on the North Shore Trail, but if you turn this way, you connect with the Des Plaines River Trail. My favorite trail. It's the trail I did the entire Lake County portion last August. They had a challenge going on celebrating the completion of the trail because there was a tiny bit they couldn't complete because some people owned some land, and they finally were able to buy the land for a substantial sum of money, and they completed, it was like 10,000 feet or something like that, a very small part, connected it, and they had a challenge for people to ride the entire trail.
Did you have to ride?
You know, you could do it any way you wanted. You could go by boat, kayak, run, bike, combination. It could be done in any way you wanted. I just chose to ride it in one day. I was the first one to complete it.
Oh, cool.
It wasn't a race or anything. I just happened to be the first one.
Closed the water bubble.
So,
Closed due to high water.
yeah, closed due to high water. I can't understand. What? I want to give you a, watch out for the evil. Oh, it's muddy. Bleh. Okay. You see, I'm zooming in. Do you see that, the underpass there with the stripes, the diagonal stripes? That's where, that's the bottom of the bridge or the top of the bridge if you're riding a bicycle. So there usually is about at least 7 feet of clearance when you ride under there to connect with the river trail. You need scuba gear right now to go under, as you can see. It looks to be, in my estimation, maybe 2 inches. 2 inches of clearance left. And the rain happened last Wednesday. Today is Tuesday. Whoop, go over, Hayden. Yeah, mosquitoes. I'm trying to get a view of underneath the actual bridge itself. It is actually touching the bottom of the bridge. If you can see how it's bubbling out. Whoops, I lost my... it's never been this high. It has never touched the bottom of the bridge before. This is unprecedented, as they say. Right here is dry, but we know if we go... Whoops, let me zoom out. If we go a little bit farther down, it'll be underwater. You don't need to see that unless you want to. Oh, you want to?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, we'll be back in a second. Oh. Closed due to high water. Well, let's see. Walnut. See how far we get. Yeah, this is a grade going down. Oh. You can get some pretty good speed going down here. On a bike. Oh, Hayden's got bit up all over his neck. Whoa.
I did? I don't feel anything.
Well, that's good you don't feel it. Look at this. All the water rushing down. Oh, my. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, subscribe, like, share, comment. I want to keep my videos normal, but nobody's interested. So let's look at this. Okay, well this one, as you can see, is not nearly as high. We're farther north than we were. Up, Hayden in the way. Oh, squishy, squishy. There is... No. Okay. There is a trail that takes a curve. I can't even show you because there's nowhere for me to go unless I get wet feet. And it goes underneath. And the entire fence, everything's underwater. Unbelievable. Alright, talk to you later.